What's up, tubers? Hey, man. Hey, I'm here to tell you guys, when you find a good barber, it's important for you to stay with that barber. But sometimes what y'all want to do, you want to chair hop. You want to go out there and cheat on your barber. Your barber, he may be booked. I want to go get my haircut by somebody else. I need to get out there. I need to look good tonight. Okay, well, sometimes you're going to learn the hard way. When you cheat on your barber, sometimes the haircut isn't going to turn out how you want it to. The next thing you know, you come crying back to your barber. Please take me back. Please fix this. I need an emergency haircut. That's what happened to my client today. I'm going to show you guys the video. The dude messed up his neck fade bad. But I fix it because that's what I do. I'll take you guys back. All right, come back. Come on back to daddy. Pause. But look, y'all will see it for yourself. Hit it. Okay, here we go. I'm going to have to fix this chair hopper's neck fade since he decided to cheat on me. So I want to start off, I'm going to comb it out. Man, that thing looks bad. Oh, man. It hurts me just to look at this. All right, so I'm going to start off with, I want to line up the sides of it. And when you line up the sides, it's important not to bring it in too much. I definitely don't want to do that, because what happens is if you bring it in too much, then the new growth, when it starts to grow back, the new growth makes it kind of look ugly. So as you can see, I'm going to the next side. Here you can see my next step is just to create that line on the bottom. The line really doesn't have to be perfect, but I just want to make the initial fade line the first line. Then I have my lever down, and I'm just going up, creating my second line. Because if you watch some of my other videos, what I like to do is I create lines. I create the first line, then the second line, kind of fade that out, then the third line. And like I said, my lever is all the way down. Okay, I just put a number 1 guard on, and I'm creating the next line. My lever is all the way up. And when I'm creating these lines, what it's doing is it's just setting it up for the blend. It's kind of like if you play sports. If you throw a pick, you might throw a pick to set up the alley-oop. That's kind of what I'm doing, is just creating the lines to set it up for the blend. This time I just took the guard off, my lever's down, and I'm just blending it in. Kind of working my lever up and down. Right here, I wanted to go back to the number 1. I'm gonna speed it up for y'all a little bit. I wanted to go back to number 1, then I just took it off. Like sometimes you'll just go back and forth to your number 1 to no guard, and it's okay. Gotta make this look good, man, because this is one of those haircuts his girlfriend probably got mad at him afterwards. I imagine when he went home, she said, "What the heck is that? Baby, you didn't go see your regular barber. You cheated, didn't you?" "Yes, dear." "Well, you need to go back to him." Okay, so now I'm just combing it out. I want to comb it out because I want to get the hair off as much as possible. And I'm using my clipper over comb. And as you can see, my comb is slightly tilted. I want to tilt it out a little bit so I don't take as much hair off. And you'll see I'll tilt it out. I'll hold it straight up. And my lever is all the way down because I don't want to take as much off. And I'll kind of fluctuate between moving my lever up and down. This way, I saw that I can get a better view by turning my comb up. And when you think about it, when you're doing clipper over comb, this is pretty much equivalent to what I'm doing right now is equivalent to about a 3 guard. But it's giving me more freedom with the clipper over comb because I don't want to take too much off because really what I'm doing is just getting out the bulk. Yeah, more bulk on the other side. I wanted to give you a closer look so you can see it. But you see how I got my comb tilted out? And then if I want to go a little closer, I'll tilt it a little bit closer to the head. So just think if I tilt it out further away from the head, that's going to take more off. If I tilt it closer to the head, if I tilt it further away from the head, it's going to take less off. When I tilt it closer to the head, it's going to take more off. Now I got the bulk out, so I just want to go down and continue to fade. And the tracks are by my man Jay Bleezy. You like the music? I'm going to I'll leave everything in the description how you can get in touch with Jay Bleezy. But he has the tracks, man. That's Track Master. He's the one that did the music for this video. I saw some hair hanging over his ear, so I want to get that hair hanging over his ear. And I'm combing it back out because I want to, oh man, I see the dust coming out of his hair. It made me cough. Sorry. Now I'm just messing around. Dre, if you're watching this, I'm just messing with you. Dre's one of my favorite clients. So I'm just taking my shears and just kind of freehanded it and just getting the bulk out. Because I want, especially from the side view, I wish I would have gave you guys a side angle, but from the side view, it gives it a great transition and it goes with the shape of his head. I'm actually gonna give you a side view later on. This is what happens when you go to another barber. You come back to your barber begging, please, man, please. Like a dope fiend, please, I need it, man, I need a hit. I need a hit of those clippers. So now I'm just getting the bottom out, just taking out the line on the bottom. Kind of just going over everything I did, but I really just want to clean it up and just make it look smoother. The clippers that I'm using in this video is, I'm using Barber, I'm using the Wahl detailers, I'm using the Wahl magic clips. I'm going to leave in the description, I'll leave what clippers I'm using. Speed it up for you guys just to let you enjoy it. Tracks by Jay Bleezy. Just clean it up a little bit and we're almost done. Make sure you follow me, man. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. There we go. Finish up. Look at him. He look good. Oh, that's what it was before. Ugh. That's what it was before. This is what it is now. And let me give you a little bonus of, here's the whole taper. Voila, that's how he looks. Man, make sure you subscribe. I appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you subscribe here. Once again, subscribe to my TikTok, my Instagram, and thank y'all for watching. Ciao!